In today's video, I want to do a really fun kids recipe that your whole family is going to love. So in today's video, we are going to make some Dorito chicken strips. And they are so easy to make and really delicious. So let's go spice things up. You'll want to preheat your oven to 375. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my chicken breasts and I'm going to start slicing them into strips so that they're perfect little chicken strip sizes. And just continue to cut all of them. Okay, so now I'm going to take my chicken strips and just put it in some flour first. In this flour, I put a little bit of salt and pepper in it as well. Just kind of lightly coat it. And then you want to put it in some egg. And then in your Dorito crumbs. Just make sure the Doritos get all over. And then I'm just taking a pan and just lightly spraying it. These are really good pans, so they don't really need the spray, but most pans do. And then just put your chicken right on the pan. And then just take your chicken, lightly coat it, put them in the egg. Make sure the Doritos get all over. And then put them on the pan. And just continue to do that till you are all done. All right, just like this. Okay, so you want to put your chicken in the oven at 375 for about 45 minutes. So we'll come back and check it in 45 minutes. All right, guys, it has been 45 minutes, and let's check it. It's probably been more like 40 minutes, actually. And it is done. So my son Tristan, which is taller than me, is gonna try this for you. Actually, he's already eaten how many? 3. Did you like them?
Yeah.
All right, you wanna try it for them?
Sure.
And I will too. I dipped mine in ranch. He dips his in ketchup.
It's good stuff.
What do you like about it?
The crunchiness.
I like the flavor. Well, thanks guys so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more videos. Bye.
Bye.
And see you in the next video.
See you in the next video. See you later. Have a nice day.